How to manage notifications on YouTube app. So hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage notifications so you can turn on or turn off any notification you want. So first thing, go to YouTube. This is the home page. As you can see, go to the top corner and click on your profile picture, and now go to the settings option down here. Click on settings, and now you will find many options here. Just go down and search for notifications option. Click on notifications, and as you can see now right here, you can turn on or turn off notifications as you want. For example, the recommended videos notifications, you can turn it off or turn it on as you want. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.